It is that time of year. We're in the holiday season, and often during the holidays, there's lots of good food and lots of good desserts around. And it can be very difficult and very tempting when you're on a weight health journey, especially when you're on a weight loss journey and you don't want to gain any of that weight back. And so I'm going to tell you three tried and true strategies that can help prevent weight gain. These are strategies that I've used to maintain my own 107-pound weight loss over the last 20 years, and things that I tell my patients and clients as well. My name's Dr. Catherine Toomer. I'm a family medicine and community health physician and founder of Total Weight Care Institute. And so, the very first thing that we should all do is not go hungry. This isn't just important during the holidays, but all year long. But particularly now, when there's so much around, there's so much to be tempted by, that allowing ourselves to get hungry leads to bad choices. And so, number one, always eat. Don't skip meals. Keep snacks with you so that if you are out and you're out and about and you start getting hungry, you have something that's high in protein, high in healthy fats to help curb your appetite, like nuts, like little cheese and nut packets. In fact, there's like little Lunchable like things that are really good and they're a nice combination, high in protein. If in a crunch, and you just have to get something to eat, there are a couple of things that you can do, like find the highest protein snack or highest protein meal in wherever you go. So even if you hit a fast food restaurant, going for the chicken strips rather than the burger is always better. Leaving the fries alone is always great. Sticking with the no sugar drinks because it's the sugar in the drinks that can often derail you. And then the other is taking along a protein shake. Now, there are many, many types of protein shakes out there that don't require refrigeration, so you can stick them in a bag. And as long as it's more than 20 grams of protein, they're usually pretty good. And they usually are low in carbohydrates, low in sugar, which are usually what causes the issue. And so having a protein shake really helps as well. And number two is making sure that you do not get dehydrated. Staying hydrated, drinking lots of water, drinking lots of non sugary drinks is actually essential. When we get dehydrated, our body often mistakes it for hunger. And so when you get dehydrated, it's easy to think you're hungry when you're not. Water is always best, non sugary drinks if in a pinch, but definitely stay away from the ones that have sugar in them. And that includes alcohol. Now, alcohol in and of itself is not a problem. It's usually what it gets mixed with that causes the issue. So if you're going to have any type of cocktail, make sure that the base of that cocktail is a non sugar base. But also keep in mind that the more alcohol you drink, the less control you may have, and then the less careful you are. So that's always something to keep in mind. And then number three is move for a couple of reasons. One, move and mood is what I call it, because when you're stressed, we tend to eat, and that's because of hormonal changes that happen during stressful times that drives our appetite. And so trying to keep your stress levels down is really important. It's really important to just enjoy yourself, enjoy your family, enjoy your friends, enjoy the time that you're having. And the way to do that, a good way of doing that, is killing two birds with one stone. Exercise. Go for a walk. Do some low impact exercise like dancing, walking, yoga, Pilates, or even just spending time with friends and doing those activities, because then you can kill three birds with one stone. You get to spend time with people you love, you're moving, and you're getting your stress levels down. And so it's really important to try and maintain any movement activities that you've already been doing. So don't let them fall off just because it's the holidays and you start getting a little bit busy, but also add to it, especially if you find that you're getting a bit frazzled, you're getting a little stressed, and you just want to calm down and and enjoy the holidays as best you can. So again, I'm Dr. Catherine Toomer, family medicine and community health physician, founder of Total Weight Care Institute, and I hope you get through this holiday season very happy, very healthy, and of course wise.